from Amazon. They come in 5 bundles. Let me show you guys. So that's what it looks like. So I ordered, they come with 5 of these in 1 pack, okay? So I paid $27.50 for Prime, so I got it because I have Prime. I got it shipped to me within 2 or 3 days. I think it was 2 days. What's the matter? Am I on the camera too? So it was shipped to me within 2 days, and I ordered 2 packs of that. So I actually got 10 bundles of hair. I wasn't sure how much it would actually take. I knew I wanted a full head, so I ordered that. And what I actually ended up using was 7 packs of hair. So I still have 3 packs left over, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. You're licking the lotion off of my hands, really. Maui. Thank you. Thank you. I have to put you down, okay? Because I'm trying to film a video. You're not the star. Are you the star of the video? Okay, so it comes in packages like this. It came with a free gift. 1 second, I'll show you what it came with. It came with a pack of these elastic bands. This is what the hair looks like, guys. Okay, so 5 of these. So I used 7 of these packs in my hair to get this look, and it is ombre from black to this blonde color. I believe it's a 27, a color 27. If I'm wrong, I'll list the exact description in the description box for you. What I wanted to talk about was the itch factor of the hair. It is really itchy, and it's been some years since I've worn like box braids. I think I've only worn them, well, I used to wear them when I was like a teenager. You're so annoying. This one in particular like reminds me, like it just itches so much. Like on a scale of like 1 to 100, it itches like 110. Like all day long I'm here like scratching my head. The hair is 24 inches long when it's like this, which was a little bit challenging for me because I wanted it to be a little bit longer, but I couldn't do that because of the ombre. It is a lot of hair. This took me 12 hours to do, by the way. It is a lot of hair, but it goes down to my body. And if I take out this top part, let me show you guys what it looks like. I pretty much never wear it like this. It's just not my style, but I mean some people would, and I've gotten a lot of compliments with it, so I know it's definitely like beautiful hair, but it's just, I don't know, I like to wear it up in a bun. But that's what it looks like down. This is 7 packs of hair off to one side. Now this is what the back looks like. I'm curious to see what the back looks like too. It's been a while. No, I'm saying no to my dog. She's a puppy and she just demands attention all the time. So in the back sections I did bigger sections, and how I braided my hair was I pre-sectioned. Each braid was pre-sectioned already of my own hair, and I braided it down, and then I just added the extension onto it. So I did not use the rubber band method. I do recommend the hair, but you definitely don't need 7 packs. Like this hair, all of this is just too. Like that's how big your bun is. I mean, some people wear it like this, but girl, it's heavy on your head. You know what I'm saying? So like just that is 7 packs of hair. It's a lot of hair, it's heavy, and I don't know if I would put that much hair in my head again, because sleeping it's very uncomfortable, and when you take a shower it's hard to put it up if you're not washing it. It just gets in the way. So I don't know, I wouldn't recommend using 7 packs unless you can deal with having that much hair around your head and on your head, and when you're sleeping it hurts like for the first few days as normal, but the itch is like real. I'm now experiencing less itching, but that's after what, 3 weeks of wear. I don't know. I don't think I would do box braids anytime soon again unless I can like maybe cleanse the hair so it doesn't itch. I mean, I would recommend the hair, but you have to be aware that it is extremely itchy. Maybe I just have sensitive scalp, I don't know, but like literally all day long I just want to sit here and itch my head. I don't know if I can deal with it, but other than that, that's the hair, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. If you have any more questions, let me know below and I'll answer that. Till next time, guys. Bye.